How to fix Excel keyboard shortcuts not working in Windows. In Excel, macros are automated sequences of commands and actions that users can record or write in a programming language called Visual Basic for Applications, VBA. Macros allow users to automate repetitive tasks, streamline complex operations, and create custom functions within Excel. Examine the list to identify any macros that could potentially conflict with default shortcuts. Disable or edit the conflicting macros as required. Test the shortcuts again. Close Excel and all other applications. Restart Excel and test the shortcuts again. If the shortcuts work, launch other applications one by one to pinpoint any conflicting software. Additionally, verify Task Manager processes to confirm the proper closure of your programs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.